One of Nnamdi prophecy is coming to pass in Nigeria. Remember that Nnamdi once told the Nigeria government that is Donald Trump that is even stopping so many things that is happening, that he will come back again and finish what he have started in Nigeria. My people, I will play this video, may you watch. As we dey talk right now, they say that the Nigeria government don dey run kitikiti. They try to link IPOB, say na then go generate this side of the Christians in Nigeria. May you see the hypocritical country where we dey inside. As that one dey be, many Nigeria don react to Showore. Tell Showore that he see this in political game wey in dey play. Say they know by claiming he go release Mazi Nnamdi card. Now he's letting the Nigerians to know that the US are not coming to help the Christians. They are coming because of the mineral resources or whatever wey Nigeria get. I want you to watch this video I'm going to play to you before we come back. Continue. My people, you know the person whether they call mockery, whether na cricket, I be say in life now if you remain one bow, because as this pastor don't come outside now, come cause am. Say since we choose to dey lie and they receive mockery, now so you go dey receive and they go. I bet we watch the video before we come back. Continue.
I want to tell you that the agreement between the British and the Fulani has collapsed. And the only person that collapsed it is Trump. I want the world to understand this. The only person that collapsed that devilish arrangement whereby the Fulanis have been guaranteed in perpetuity, the advancement of their hegemonic interest right across the whole of West Africa, not just in the zoo. As long as Britain gets their free oil, as long as there is enough money to pay every successive director of the United States Department of State, as long as there is enough money to bribe all ambassadors coming to Abuja. Before that, it was Lagos. As long as they have enough money, they were prepared to do anything they like to kill as many people as possible, to run the government into the ground, to bow like there is no tomorrow, to display their mediocrity at its very worst.
This investigative report by the cable's open source intelligence analysis, which revealed that certain social media echo chambers affiliated with the indigenous peoples of Biafra have played significant roles in amplifying claims of a Christian genocide in Nigeria. Well, according to the cable, data from X showed that between January 1st and October 1st, 2025, there were approximately 165,000 mentions of the topic, reaching an estimated 2.83 billion people, a figure more than 12 times Nigeria's population. Four prominent hashtags emerged: hashtag Christian genocide, Truth Nigeria, Lara Logan, and Biafra Exit Now, which was an unusual part of the discourse. Confidence McHarry, a senior geopolitics analyst at SBM Intelligence, stated that the story about Christian genocide in Nigeria was initiated by IPOB as far back as 2016. The analysis found that X accounts promoting Biafra and Nnamdi Kanu were the most vocal online, particularly those supporting IPOB's separation from Nigeria. The cable also found that U.S. Senator Ted Cruz, who has pushed for sanctions against Nigeria, received $1.8 billion in donations from IPAC, a pro-Israel lobbying group. I mean, this investigation reveals, complex layers of international politics, separatist agendas, and religious narratives intersecting in Nigeria's security discourse. Rufai, we're hearing that IPOB is one of the, groups that have promoted this hashtag Christian genocide. But I mean, we have seen major killings. But before I come to you, I'll take this story. Meanwhile, the Christian Association of Nigeria has faulted the statement released by a special advisor to the president on policy communication, Daniel Bwala, after a meeting with the association in Abuja. The dispute centers on how Bwala characterized Kan's position on allegations of Christian genocide in Nigeria on Monday.
There's genocide against the poor in this country. There's genocide against Muslims in this country. There's genocide against Christians in this country. There's genocide against children in this country. To now separate it and say maybe it's one religion or the other. Interestingly, Nigeria doesn't count or do DNA of people who are killed to determine whether they are carrying a Bible or a Quran. So the number of people that were abducted on our road yesterday, did anybody find out whether they are Christians or Muslims? Whereas the U.S. can nitpick symbolically to say, because they have policies, definitely. They say, oh, you know, there are genocides against Christians in Nigeria. Why is the U.S. not taking the same position in Gaza? That there's genocide against Muslims by Israel. So there's international hypocrisy about that. In a country where they are killing 6,000 people a day, you did not designate the killer as a genocidal government. But you are here. Please, let's be careful. I am not in any way defending what is happening in Nigeria. But I'm just saying that the problem with Nigeria has nothing to do with religion. It's complete irresponsible leadership and insecurity that kills everybody.
Yes.
What about when the terrorists go and kill people in the mosque? When you talk about insecurity in this country today, it happens more in the north, in the Muslim part of the north. And that's the truth. That's where they go to mosque. I think they killed about 35 people in a mosque in Kasi. And the people who killed them were not Christians. They are probably people who identify as Muslims. So, but the truth is that we like to water down the responsibility of our leaders by this gives them an alibi. You know, okay, you know. And then the U.S. will come with a policy to say we want to protect Christians. It's okay. Let's bring a big boat and take all the Christians out and see if nobody will get killed again.
They are saying that I am opposing my own government, exposing them. Okay. Are they not exposing us to Fulani terrorists by refusing to come to our aid when we cry out? It's exposing us. Let them continue killing us. Then they turn their face as if nothing is happening. They come out, Reno Cree, or what is that his name? He came out and said there is no genocide like that in Nigeria. That man, I've cursed him already. He will never know peace down to the grave. The blood of people that have entered my brain, I transfer them, my head, to his life. He will not escape. I want all Nigerians to know the man will never escape. He has been doing devious life to different government. This time around, he has crossed his line. If I exist with that, it is God at work. They were one in dealing with the Christians. After the Christians were not there, division came in. God said, I come down. You have touched my people. You have killed my people. You will end up killing one another. Now, election is coming. That's why they are afraid. So the only thing, the Fulani are tools to destroy us, to kill us. There is genocide. It's in my car. It's in my car. And do you want me to show you evidence? It's in my car. It's right there. Come and see pictures of genocides, including small children. Very soon I will make a press release. I will present how small children are among those that are killed. I will present the recent killings that Nigerian government don't want the world to know. They are saying that I am opposing my own government, exposing them. Okay, are they not exposing us to Fulani terrorists by refusing to come to our aid when we cry out? It's exposing us. Let them continue killing us. Then they turn their face as if nothing is happening. They come out and Reno Cree, or what is that his name? He came out and said there is no genocide like that in Nigeria. That man, I've cursed him already. He will never know peace down to the grave. The blood of people that have entered my brain, I transfer them, my head, to his life. He will not escape. I want all Nigerians to know the man will never escape. He has been doing devious life to different government. This time around, he has crossed his line. If I exist without seeing God crushing that man, then I'm a bastard. Because the blood of people that are being killed in the north, for him coming out, he has crossed the line. He's finished. The only hope for him, that he will buy my heart. Let him repent. Let him repent. If Reno Amokari will repent, and those kind of officials that came out and denied there is no genocide, if they don't repent, oh no.
Nigerians, so yesterday, being the 1st of November 2025, also Saturday, bandits attacked Keta Outskirts. Keta Outskirts is in a Safe local government area of Zamfara State. I don't know if I pronounce the Safe well, but it's spelled as a T-S-A-F-E. Is it Safe or I don't know, but the spelling is T-S-A-F-E. So they attacked that community yesterday in the evening. Not that, never to date that. See what they did to that community. See what they did. They burnt their farmland and abducted every single person working on this farm. I'm not telling you not to tell person. Go and tell person. That's me, English Alhaji, said bandit attacked this community yesterday, being the 1st of November 2025. They burnt their farmland and abducted every single person working here. No media will tell you these things. I know they come here to do cho-cho-cho. No media will tell you these things. There's no media that will tell you what is going on here. But you know the story. I tell you guys, when they are hiding it, me, Alhaji, I'm going to bring her out. If they hide her, me, they bring her out. See what they did. Now, the touching part of this thing is that, the painful part of this whole thing is that these bandits have extorted millions on these Keta people. They've extorted millions from them. And it's not that the government is not aware, they are aware. If the government say they are not aware of this thing, may God punish me. If they say they are not aware, may God punish me. See what is going on in the north. No media will tell you these things. Bro, see, last week I almost wanted to, I said make I just rest. Make I leave social media for a while. Because you guys don't know what I'm fighting. You guys don't know what I'm fighting. But now, just God. Now God. You understand? Now just God. They keep me here. Sometimes I feel like crying. Sometimes when they post these things, the thing they touch me. I don't know how to be. This thing they touch me. Because people are losing their lives every day here. And the media is not saying. See, they're not even posting anything there. They're not even showing you anything. They're not showing you anything. They're not even showing you anything. I've not even started showing you on Porter. What I'm just doing is bringing you, like, you don't understand? You have not seen anything. So I know what I go through every day to bring all these things out. And every news I bring here, there's no scratch there, legit. Nothing like say, now legit, 100% legit. There's no scratch for the body. I don't post fake news here. I don't post fake news on this my platform. Now lie. But I wanted to, I say, if I come, say make I rest for 1 week, all these things they happen. How I wanted this here? How do the people know what is going on? How would you all know what is happening? So I say no. Make I keep firing. They are not happy. They are not happy. They are seeing it. As you guys they see them, so they see them. The other time, they saw one post. They asked me to bring the post down. Instead of you to go and fix the school, you saw this. How can somebody's child, how can a human being be learning that kind of what do they call them? A school? Why their children they abroad? See where children stay, they learn, they read, they write. No roof. Just see the wall here. If breeze blow, this wall hit this wall or fall like this. See children for center, they read and write. They asked me to bring the post down. Instead to go and fix it, they say bring it down. I did not bring it down. Made the worst happen. I no carry them down. So I dey fight, but see, I dey go through a lot. But God, I no fit dey tell una. But Oluwa, God in heaven, because of una prayer and because of the cause why they fight now, just cause. That is why I'm still here, and I will never go anywhere. I will see it to the end. See what they did. After extorting millions from these people of Keta, they still went on to burn the farmland, abducted every single person working on this farm yesterday. But the media is quiet. Why is the media quiet? Now I don't know. Why is the Nigerian media quiet? Now, me, Alhaji, don't know. Why are they quiet? See what happened yesterday, but yet they are quiet. They are just like this. Nigerians, you know the story. If they hide them, I'm going to bring her out. If they hide them, me, Alhaji, will bring her out. You know the story. I will not leave here without telling the federal government of bandits to forsake.
My people, let me tell you something. This country will never be good at all. If you dey go through comment sections of where they post so many videos concerning this Donald Trump is sending military to help the Christians in Nigeria, omo, you will shock. That is it these people from Nigeria upon they see how they by people. And my prayer for those people we no want to end this insecurity in Nigeria. My prayer for you people in Nigeria must happen to you. Could you imagine? They start tagging it to Igbos. Is the Igbos who is pushing this thing? Is the anything that is happening in Nigeria? They be blaming Igbo. The same Igbo they are blaming do not have common sense. They don't have common sense. You will see an Igbo man writing in the comment section, hey, Nigeria is our country. We are going to fight with America. We are going to defend. You are defending what? What the fuck, bro? Are you okay? Are you people okay? If your mother or you have anything to do with Hausa, leave Alibo. Don't put my change your name. Fucking go to Hausa land and stay. I wanna see Igbos writing nonsense in comment section concerning Nigeria. I began to think, what is going on? The genocide is real. They are buying people in what are they called, in Enugu, in Ebonyi. These men are buying people. Look at what is happening in Benue. Look at what is happening in the north. They are killing Christians, buying Christians every day. And see people coming out and say there's no genocide in Nigeria. If you mean that Nigerian military can handle it, they are capable, then what is holding them for more than fucking 15 years now? What is holding them, or 12 years? What is holding them from doing it? Now the Trump have come outside. You see people coming outside to talk nonsense. That's why Nigeria will never be good. You see, in 5th generation of Nigeria will never be good. Tribalism is too much. Hypocrisy is too much. Outside this, Igbo this one, that one. It's too much. They can't fix this country. So as an Igbo man and you're supporting this nonsense and you support every nonsense that is happening, I pray Nigeria will happen. Don't need pray while they pray. I beg America. Mona remember saying Nigeria get many tribes. Mona know the location where I carry the come. Mona no go do mistake, drop something, we go come to the other side. Mona share this video.